Hello, good morning children. Today I am taking your subject Hindi. Come on, let us learn Swar and Vyanjan. Today we are learning Swar and Vyanjan. See here, subject Hindi. Today we are taking subject Hindi. Now let us learn Swar and Vyanjan. See here, आओ दोहराएं. Come on, let us learn. See here, a. You all repeat after me. A, e, u, ru, a, I, o, ow, aha. See here, these are swar. We call this in English vowels. See here, आओ दोहराएं. Let us revise. These are Varnamala alphabets. We call this in English we call as alphabets. In Hindi we call Varnamala. Means swar we call vowels. Swar we call vowels. See here, let us revise now. See here, स्वरों का उच्चारण. स्वरों का उच्चारण means pronunciation of vowels. Pronunciation of vowels. Here it comes down to up. We have to sound low to high. This is pronunciation of vowels. Now let us revise. Come on, repeat after me. A. Next, E, U, ru, a, I, o, ow, aha. Now, next, see here, this is ups and downs of pronunciation. Let us learn. See here, a, E, U, ru, a, I, o, ow, aha. Now step by step let us learn. A, E, U, ru, a, I, o, ow, aha. These are the pronunciations of vowels. These are pronunciation of vowels. Today we learn about vowels. See here, Varnamala alphabet. Varnamala alphabet we call in Hindi Varnamala. In English we call alphabet. See here, now these are swars. For swar we call vowels. For swar we call vowels. See, next we learn a to aha. Today we learn a to aha. These are given in English also. A, double A, E, I, double E, U, O, double O, Ri. See here, Rushi we call R-I. We call Ri. After Ru, Ri. See here, A-E, I, O, we call O. Then O-U, A-N. Then aha, A-H-A, aha. These are Varnamala. Today we learn Varnamala. Today we learn Varnamala. We call in English alphabet. Alphabet. See here. Now let us write swar. Let us write swar. We call swar vowels. We call swar vowels. See here, let us write vowels now. Now first letter we write a. We write a. Then write a. See here, in English we pronounce a as a. Then a double a. Then e. We write in English I. Then E. We write E double E. Now next oo. We call U. Then we write oo. We write oo. We write double O. Then ru. We call ru. Ru. See here, we write ru now. In English, we write RI. Then A. A. Next, we write in English AE. A. We write A in English AI. Then O. O. We write in English O. Then O. We pronounce high. It is O. O-U. Then It is A-N. Then last letter is aha. Last letter is aha. These are swar. We call in English vowels. Now let us write high to low pronunciation of vowels. See here, pronunciation of vowels. Let us write now. Pronunciation of vowels. See here. Now shall we write pronunciation of vowels. Come on, let us write now. We are pronouncing high to low. This is low and this is high. This is and this is This is in loud. We have to say and E. This is E. See here? Low. Then oo. Then E. Once again, big E. E. We have to say E. Then next, oo. Oo. The next, in the high voice, we have to say oo. Then next, ru. Ru. This is ru. Then A. Next, A. then I. This is I. O. Aha. See here, A, A, E, E, U, U, Ru, A, I, O, Ow, Aha. These are the vowels of pronunciation. How many vowels are there? See here, how many vowels are there? These are 13 vowels. They are 13 vowels. So let us count the vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are 13 vowels. We call this as swar. We call swar. Next we come to Vyanjan. See here, now we studied Varnamala, alphabets. We studied swar vowels. Swar vowels. Now we finished swar. Then next we come to Vyanjan. Now we are reading Vyanjan. See here, Vyanjan means in English consonants. We say in English consonant. This is Vyanjan and we say in English consonants. Let us start now. See here. K, K, G, G. No. Ch, ch, j, j, n, t, ठ, ड, ढ, न, त, थ, द, ध, न, प, फ, ब, भ, म. Now next y, r, l, v, ch, ch, s, h, ch, tr, gnya. See here, these are consonants. What are these? Consonants. See here, let us revise now. These only we are revising. Let us start now revising. Come on, repeat after me. These are Vyanjan means consonants. K, say K, Kh, G, Gh, Nya, Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Na, T, Th, D, Dh, Na, T, Th, D, Th, Na, P, P, B, B, M, Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H, Ch, Tra, Vya. These are consonants. See here, these are the consonants. Today we learn Swar and Vyanjan. These are Swar and Vyanjan. See here, Varnamala means alphabets, Swar means vowels, Vyanjan means consonants. See here, we learn today Swar. We learn today Swar. Today we learn Swar. Swar is called vowels. Swar we call vowels in English. See here, today we learn Swar and Vyanjan. The difference between Swar and Vyanjan. See here, Vyanjan, see here, Vyanjan we learn Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha to Cha, Tra, Gnya. Then, see here, Swar we learn A to Aha. Here we learn A to Aha. Now, tomorrow let us say the words in English and Hindi. Tomorrow, shall we start pronouncing the words also? Shall we identify and say tomorrow? Okay. Tomorrow, let me start saying words. Thank you.